And claiming to be a priest will face criminal charges in Howard County for allegedly coercing a woman to give him thousands of dollars.
Ryan St. Anne Gevlinger faces 3 counts of financial exploitation of an elderly person.
ABC 17's Lucas Geisler was in the courtroom today, and he's joining us live in the newsroom now. And Lucas, deputies say he tried separating the woman from her own grown children.
Daniel and Dana, that's because 86-year-old Patricia Baldridge presented an amendment to her will that would give a large sum of her Iowa farm to the Holy Rosary Abbey, the name of the alleged monastery that she was living in Armstrong, Missouri, with Gevlinger. The deputy, who also serves as a notary, thought it was suspicious that the abbey would receive more than her 7 children in the event of her death. Clad in orange instead of a long priest's frock, Ryan St. Anne Gevlinger awaited his judgment from above. 6 people spoke for Howard County prosecutor Steve Merle's case for financial exploitation of an elderly person. Deputy Ross Harrison says Baldridge contacted him about the angry way Gevlinger acted. This shortly after Harrison denied notarizing a change in her trust that would give 2/9 of her Iowa farm to the Holy Rosary Abbey, with 1/9 each going to her 7 children. But Baldridge's own testimony today nearly refuted that. She says she never planned to leave the Abbey and didn't even remember why she contacted the sheriff's department in the first place. She called Gevlinger her spiritual advisor at the Abbey, taking care of her as they practiced the Benedictine faith, a sect of Catholicism that rejects some changes to the church. Baldridge's son, Joe, told the court of the frequent times his mother would ask for money, demanding rent early for the farm she lets Joe use. Property records we found in Howard County show that Gevlinger had a contract to pay for the church on Snoddy Street, had a contract to pay $30,000 by April 1st of this year. They moved in according to testimony on May 1st of 2014. Information from the assessor's office shows that he had not paid the $30,000 yet, and he also had not paid the property taxes on the place. Gevlinger's attorney, Matthew Radefeld, says Baldridge willingly put that provision in her will, saying it was a thank you to the Abbey that had taken care of her for several years. Reporting live in the newsroom, Lucas Geisler, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Lucas. Gevlinger also goes by Ryan St. Anne Scott and Ryan Patrick Scott, but rarely by his birth name, which is Randall Stocks. Gevlinger's next court appearance is set for May 6th.